Hi friends, welcome to English Study Point. Today here in this video lecture, I am going to discuss with you about a literary device that is portmanteau. So portmanteau is a kind of literary device in which writer with a combination of two or more different kinds of words, he is able to produce or coin a new word. So this is called as portmanteau, and when there is emergence of new word or coinage of new word out of the combination of two or more different kinds of words all together, so the new word also contains or shares the same meaning as that of the original word. Like for example, if I am combining two words all together, medical as well as care, so combination of these two words give me something, a new word, that is medicare. So this new word medicare also contains same meaning as that of the original word. So if I am going to explain this term in हिंदी, it means that अगर हम दो वर्ड्स या फिर दो से ज़्यादा वर्ड्स को एक साथ कंबाइन करते हैं तो एक नया वर्ड कॉइन हो पाता है, उसे कहा जाता है पोर्टमैन्ट्यू। एंड जब ये नया वर्ड कॉइन होता है तो इस नए वर्ड का भी सेम मतलब होता है ओरिजिनल वर्ड की तरह। जैसे मैंने अभी एग्जांपल दिया, अगर मैं मेडिकल प्लस केयर को कंबाइन करती हूँ तो इससे एक नया वर्ड फॉर्म होता है मेडिकेयर। तो मेडिकेयर का भी सेम मतलब होगा मेडिकल और केयर की तरह। सो दिस इज़ कॉल्ड एज पोर्टमैन्ट्यू। Now let us understand this term in a more better way. So portmanteau comes from the French words which means to carry and clock. Now it is a kind of literary device through which we are able to newly create word that results from combination of two or more different kinds of words all together. So it is a literary device in which two or more words are joined to coin a new word. Then this new words maintains the meaning of the original words. तो इसका मतलब मैंने आपको बताया कि अगर मैं मेडिकल प्लस केयर को से एक नया वर्ड फॉर्म करूँगी मेडिकेयर, तो मेडिकेयर का भी मतलब सेम होगा उसके ओरिजिनल वर्ड की तरह। देन now it is very important for you to know uses of portmanteau. So with the use of portmanteau we are able to create a new word which can be very useful in the context of current vocabulary. Sometimes there are so many words which contains same meaning, but these same meanings but word containing same meanings do not fit into the context in which we are talking about. So for that we have to create something new word which will fit into the context a writer is trying to describe about. तो राइटर पोर्टमैन्ट्यू का इसलिए भी यूज़ करता है क्योंकि कई बार क्या होता है, एक वर्ड होता है उसके बहुत सारे मीनिंग्स होते हैं, उसके भी सेम मीनिंग्स होते हैं, बट हर कोई वर्ड हर एक कॉन्टेक्स्ट में फ़िट नहीं बैठता। इसलिए पोर्टमैन्ट्यू का यूज़ करके नए वर्ड को क्रिएट किया जाता है ताकि वो नए कॉन्टेक्स्ट की वोकैबुलरी के साथ फिट बैठ सके। यानी एक पर्टिकुलर वर्ड जो राइटर को चाहिए होता है वो पोर्टमैन्ट्यू का यूज़ करके उस पर्टिकुलर वर्ड को फॉर्म करने की कोशिश करता है ताकि वो अपनी बात को डिस्क्राइब कर सके जिस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में वो कहना चाह रहा है। देन एक्सप्रेसिंग इन अ न्यू वे, यहाँ पर एक्सप्रेसिंग इन अ न्यू वे का मतलब है कि इससे राइटर माइट बी वांटिंग टू एक्सप्रेस देमसेल्व्स इन अ न्यू वे बाय यूज़ ऑफ न्यू वोकैबुलरी. So he is trying to make his language which he is describing through his writings, so he want to make his language something unique. So that is why he is able to coin new word by using portmanteau as a literary device. And so in the process when he is able to express himself in a new way, at the same time he is experimenting with language also, and he is trying to also explore the boundaries of what words can accomplish. तो राइटर इसका यूज़ करके लैंग्वेज के साथ एक्सपेरिमेंट करके देखना चाहता है, इसलिए भी पोर्टमैन्ट्यू का यूज़ किया जाता है। एंड वो एक्सप्लोर करना चाहता है बाउंड्रीज़ को, लिमिटेड बाउंड्रीज़ को एक्सप्लोर करना चाहता है कि एक वर्ड्स की पावर क्या हो सकती है अगर उस वर्ड को उस राइटिंग के अंदर, जिस राइटिंग को वो क्रिएट कर रहा है, तो उस पर्टिकुलर वर्ड की उसकी राइटिंग में कितनी इम्पोर्टेंस हो सकती है. Also, there is enhancement of creativity by use of portmanteaus because we are able to create entirely new words with the help of it, and which contains a very unique meaning of their own. And नेक्स्ट इज़ राइटर्स आर मोर इंटरेस्टेड इन कॉइनिंग न्यू वर्ड्स. तो राइटर इस पोर्टमैंट्यू को इसलिए भी यूज़ करते हैं क्योंकि वो चाहते हैं कि कुछ ना कुछ नई वोकेबलरी ऐड ऑन की जाए उनकी राइटिंग्स के अंदर, कुछ नया वर्ड कॉइन किया जाए जिसके थ्रू क्रिएटिविटी उसकी नज़र आ सके, यानी राइटर की खुद की क्रिएटिविटी लोगों को नज़र आ सके, हाईलाइट हो सके, एंड कुछ इंटरेस्ट का एलिमेंट बढ़ सके उसके लिटरेरी टेक्स्ट के अंदर. सो दैट इज़ वाई portmanteau as a literary device is useful for writers. Then so I have mentioned these some examples. First is education plus entertainment forms edutainment. Then fan plus magazine forms fanzine. Oxford plus Cambridge forms Oxbridge. Then telephone plus marathon forms telethon. Then medical plus care forms Medicare. Then parachute plus troops forms paratroops. Motor plus hotel forms motel. So these are combination of two or more different kinds of words, and with the help of it a writer is able to produce something new word, and that new word also contains or shares the same meaning as that of the original word. Now these are some examples from literature. This is a work by Lewis Carroll, and name of that work is Through the Looking Glass. This work is by Alice. What Alice found there. So this is work by Lewis Carroll, in which there is a chapter number 6, which is Humpty Dumpty explains the meaning of Slithy and Mimsy. Here Slithy as well as Mimsy are examples of portmanteau. He says that Slithy is a combination of slimy and lithy. Please remember this. Lewis Carroll himself describes through his writing that he presents a word which is slithy, and that slithy is a combination of two words. First one is slimy and another word is lithy. Then another word is mimsy. Mimsy is also a combination of flimsy as well as miserable. Then another example is work of James Joyce, and name of that work is Finnegan's Wake. So there is I am trying to showcase some lines to you that are perfect examples of portmanteau. So ethiquetical is formed from ethics as well as etiquette, and blinkards is coined from the Dutch blinken, which means to shine, and English to blink. Then stop his license. This license comes from the word layman and sense. Then seduce is from sin and as well as seduce. Then comedy is from someday and comedy. Then photograph is produced from combination of fading as well as photograph. Then here with this particular video lecture ends here. Hope this video lecture will help you in your UGC NET English literature exam.